Good morning, guys. So last night I just came up with this idea of filming a spend a day with me video, and oh my god, my face looks so puffy today. I drank so much water last night, and it is 7:30 at the moment, and I'm gonna do some workout because I got a TV, which is easier for me to follow YouTube videos. After workout, I'm gonna cook myself a full breakfast because usually on weekdays I don't have that much time for breakfast and I'm kind of tired of it. Okay, I just get changed. Let's work out. Alright guys, I just finished workout. Oh my god, look at my hair. I'm sweating a lot. So I have to say that the workout videos of Pamela and Chloe Tain are super helpful. All we gotta do is just follow their videos and keep pushing ourselves and do it regularly. You'll see results. Like today, workout in the morning just freshen up my mind. I have to bend down a little. So now I'm going to make myself some breakfast. I was craving some Mexican food, but I don't know how to cook. I don't know how to cook Mexican food. So I guess what I'm doing is just use some Mexican ingredients. Hey everyone, I just got done with a meeting and blew dry my hair, ate my breakfast, and I got myself some herbal tea because these days I've been highly conscious about my health condition, and some herbal tea would definitely be of great help. So now what I'm gonna do is just to get some work done, and I'll probably talk to you guys when I'm cooking lunch because I already have something in mind which I'm very excited about. So I'll talk to you later. Alright guys, I am in my kitchen right now trying to cook, but I'm so tired. I didn't get enough sleep last night. Did I tell you guys that there was an earthquake last night? So this is what happened. I was in bed and trying to get some sleep because I had some coffee past 4 p.m. in the afternoon. I would definitely have some trouble falling asleep. And when I was trying to calm myself down, I realized that my roof is shaking. And then I was like, what the heck? Because I thought my neighbors upstairs were moving furniture or stuff. But you know what? People who live in upstairs are like an elder couple. It is not possible that they would move furniture at midnight. Then there came the second wave and I realized, shoot, it's an earthquake. It's just Alright guys, now it's gonna be my favorite time of the day. I will be watching some YouTube videos when I'm eating my lunch. And I've been watching a lot of vlogs. Now let's get started. I got myself some cranberry juice. I have some other beverages, but wait, why is it J Cho music? I have some other beverages, but I just don't feel like drinking those at the moment because I'm trying to be on a diet. And this is my lunch. I want a dog. Hey guys, I just got changed and I made myself a latte. Now I'm going to do some work, edit my videos, and the reason why I changed is that the shirt got really smelly and oily from cooking. And also, when I'm working in the afternoon, I will find some time to make some cookie, make some sweet potato cereal cookie. It's oil-free, sugar-free, but it tastes so good than any other kind of cookie I've ever tried. Yeah, those are made by me. I'll talk to you later. Hey guys, I am back in the kitchen. Some of you might notice that I put on some makeup, and I don't know, I just put it on for no reason. I had a cut on my finger. Damn, it hurts. This bottle's fault. Hey everyone, it's me again. I just got changed because somehow I feel like I need more exercise today, because later I'm gonna video chat with my friend and we're gonna drink together. So that's actually extra calories for today. So I was thinking maybe an extra session of workout will be nice. And somehow I feel like the workout this morning was not that intense. So I'm adding 2 more sessions of abs because I really want my abs back before summer really comes. Now let's just get into it. Obviously, I was underestimating the intensity of Pamela's videos. I am already sweating. Oh god, my makeup. Oh. And it's only one video. I still have one more of Chloe Ting's to go. Oh my god. Should have done it this morning. Okay. It has this crispy surface, but the inside is still super soft. I like it. It's my favorite cookie. Well, I call it cookie, but it's more like a pastry. But it's sugar-free, oil-free, and it's healthy.我在厨房呢，怎么啦？
吃瓜呀，吃瓜！我的天呐，我这瓜吃的我太香了。
别人的瓜不关我的事。
但是这瓜太香了，我这瓜我一点都没能尝。
我在烤鸡翅呢。我跟你说，我其实是不用烤鸡翅的，我家里面有特别多的零食，我买了好多上好佳。